Srikrut, good afternoon, Srikrut.
Good afternoon.
No finger in mouth, Srikrut, please. Shall we start workbook? Srikrut, okay, start.
Apple.
A for?
Idenni apple.
A for?
Apple.
A for?
Apple.
Inka?
Arrow. Aeroplane.
Enough, very good. Next.
Apple.
Circle the pictures standing with the letter B. You circle with index finger.
Ball.
Circle with index finger.
Boat.
Very good.
Balloon.
Very good.
Idenni varasala.
Okay, next. Sai, next.
Ball.
Here C letter words.
Balloon.
Very good. C for?
Carrot. Apple.
Apple, A for apple. Only C letter words here.
Carrot.
A bit louder.
Carrot. Cup.
Very good. Next.
Hat.
Cat.
Cat. Dog. Dog. Donkey.
Here three words are there with the
Doggy. Donkey. Duck. Drum.
Good job. Next here.
Elbow. Drum. Flower.
This picture. What is this picture?
Jug.
Very good, wonderful job. Here.
Apple. Rose. Sunflower. Daisy.
Good job. What are these two?
Apple. Ball. Banana. Fruit cardo. Banana. Mango.
Nice. Here.
Apple. Crib. Gate.
Guitar.
Guitar. Ball. Guava.
Here you need to say the word which are starting with the letter G.
Grape.
Srikrut, G letter words. Say G letter words.
Giraffe.
Very good. One more. One more G letter word.
Chippa.
You didn't say. What is this?
Guitar.
Very good. What is the third one? What is this?
Grass.
Very good. Now your job is done. Here H letter words.
H for helicopter.
Very good.
H for
Read all those pictures.
cap.
No, the pictures starting with the letter H. Very good.
Nilu.
Honey bottle.
Honey bottle. Cockroach.
Cockroach. Hen.
Hen. Horse.
Hammer. Have you seen hammer earlier?
Hammer. Horse.
Very good. Good job.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Very good.
In the snap.
Now I letter words.
I for insect. Igloo.
Igloo. This is igloo. That is egg. E letter word.
Egg.
This is I letter word.
I. Igloo. Is it?
Igloo.
Igloo. Igloo.
Ink pot.
Ink pot.
Good job. Good job.
Then
Done with your part. Now clap yourself.